بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء الأعزاء طلبة الصف الأول الاعدادي، كل عام وأنتم بخير يا أبناء. نكمل مع بعض مذكره توجيه الدقهليه للعام الدراسي 2025 ترم تاني. Model exam number 2. Choose the correct answer. Letter E, number 1. Which of the following numbers is written as scientific notation? طيب scientific notation هنختار letter D. Why? Because a number write in scientific notation write in this image E product by n 10 power n, and E absolute value of A greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, and n belonging to integers. We call that scientific notation. Then we must choose letter D, 3.15 times 10 power 5. Okay, choose letter D, scientific notation. Next question, number 2. X power 3 plus x power 2 divided by x power 2. X power 3 divide x power 2 equal x, and x power 2 divide x power 2 equal 1. Then the result will be x plus 1. Then subtract the powers اللي عندي. Next question, number 3. The image of the point by translation 1 and 0 followed by translation to negative 3. يعني هنعمل هنا translation to 6. هنحلها خطوتين. negative 1 and 0 translation الأول كان 1 and 0. هدي الإيمج وبعدين نعمل translation تاني followed by 2 and negative 3. First translation 1 and negative 1 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And second translation 2 plus 0 equals 2. Negative 3 plus 0 equals negative 3. Then the translation in the result will be 2 and negative 3. Choose letter A. Simplify the simplest form and then find the numerical value at n equals negative 3. First step, we write 2n minus 1 or power 2 subtract by 2n plus 1 in the brackets product by 2n minus 1. We have conjugate numbers here. First step, 2n minus 1 whole power 2. 2n power 2 equal 4n power 2. Negative 1 power 2 equal 1, and the middle write negative. 2 times 1 times 2 will be 4, and write n. And then negative and open brackets, 2n times 2n equal 4n power 2. And 1 times negative 1 equal negative 1. And then 4n power 2 subtract by 4n plus 1 subtract by 4n power 2 negative times negative equal positive. And then you can simplest. We have 4n power 2 subtract 4n power 2 equals 0. We have the different sign between similar terms. And then we have negative 4n plus 1 and plus 1 will be plus 2. Then the numerical value will be equal what? At n equal negative 3, put n equal 3 here. Then numerical value will be what? Then the numerical value will be a negative 4 product by negative 3, the value of n plus 2. Negative 4 times negative 3 equal 12. 12 plus 2 equal 14. Then the result here will be 14. Next question. Choose the correct answer. The probability of appearing an even number when throwing a fire die once. طيب أنا عايز أجيب even number. هنا يكون عندي 2, 4 and 6. This is the event. Then the probability of this event, we can raise the number of event A over number of space randomly. We have 3 digits, 2, 4, 6 from 6 digits. The result will be 1 over 2. The result will be letter E. Next question, number 2. Square root of 16 plus 9. It will be 4 plus what? First step, we must add 16 and 9 equal 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. 5 equal 4 plus 1. Then we must write 1 in space. The result will be letter C. Don't write 5, okay? Don't write 3. Don't distribute the power or the root. لازم تحل الأول تحت الروت اللي عندك وبعدين تجيب الفاليو. تجيب 4 بلس كام؟ 4 بلس 1 يعطيك 5. اختار 1. Question number 3. The area of square whose diagonal 6 cm area equal half diagonal power 2. The diagonal here was 6. 6 times 6. Then half of 6, 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. means the area will be 18 square centimeter. Next question. Simplify the simplest form. We have cubic root 125 over 27 and 2 square root of 81 over 25 subtracted by 9 over 5 or power 0. Cubic root of this number it will be 5 over 3. And square root of 81 equal 9. Square root of 25, 5. And 9 over 5 or power 0 it will be 1. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Double the number 2 power n. 2 product 2 power n it will be 2 power 11. We must be 2 powers. 10 plus 1 equal 11. Number 2. The image of the point with the friction in x-axis. We have 5 and 0. We want friction in x-axis. We must put x and change the sign of y. It will be 0 because 0 non-positive and non-negative. 5 and 0 lies in x-axis, then the image will be the same point. Next question number 3. The height of trapezium is 5 cm and the sum of lengths of its two parallel bases is 16. Then its area equal. We know the area equal half sum of two bases, base 1 and base 2, product by corresponding height. He gave us in the example sum of two bases equals 16 and the height was 5. And the area equal half of 16, 8. 8 times 5 equal 40 square centimeter. Next question, letter B. Draw an angle of measure 100 degrees and bisect it with ruler and compass. We can use the ruler and draw the angle. First, draw the ray. (100 degrees) 0 to 100. Count from 0 to 100. اوكي يعني هدي يا ولاد من 0 to 100 بس نبدأ من الزيرو اللي هنا. And then draw the ray like this. Open the compass like this and get two parts. There is an arc and also going here to the arc. Let's bisect in two parts. Okay, سهلة كده. Next question. Find the quotient of dividing this expression negative 3x power 2 plus x power 3 minus x plus 6 by x minus 2. First step, we must arrange the all terms from greatest to smallest, like x power 3 and then negative 3 x power 2 and then negative x plus 6 and then divided by x minus 2. X power 3 divided by x, it will be x power 2. And then x power 2 times x equal x power 3. X power 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 2 x power 2. And then find the difference between them, cancel together. Negative 3x power 2 plus 2x power 2, it will be negative x power 2 minus x plus 6. Next step, divided negative x power 2 by x equal negative x. And the next step, product negative x by this expression. Negative x times x will be negative x power 2. Negative x times negative 2, write negatives are negative positive, and 2 times x equal 2x. And then find the difference between them. We can cancel together. Negative x plus negative 2x will be negative 3x plus 6. Negative 3x divided by x equal negative 3. Okay, and then product negative 3 by this expression. Negative 3 times x equal negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 2, negative times negative positive, 2 times 3, 6. And then change the sign. Then the quotient will be x power 2 minus x minus 3. Next question, find solution set of the following quantity in Q. We have 3 product by x minus 7 greater than or equal to 7 product by x minus 3. 3 times x times negative 7. 3 times x equals 3x, and 3 times 7 equals 21. 7 times x equals 7x, and 7 times negative 3 equals negative 21. And then moved here 7x minus 3x, and moved here negative 21 plus 21, sum of them equals 0. And here greater than or equal to 7x minus 3x equals 4x. And then we can divide it by 4, then x is than or equal to 4. Then the solution set will be x such that x falling to cube and x less than or equal to 0. Understood? Next question. On the coordinate plane, draw triangle ABC and then find rotation around angle 0 by angle negative 90 degree. We can draw here. بس معايا كده يا أبنائي، أول خطوة هنعملها طبعا إن إحنا هنجيب كل بوينت والروتيشن بتاعها. يعني عندي هنا البوينت A order 1 and negative 2. Then E dash we can replace two numbers، هنبدلهم negative 2 1. والليج السكند يتغير، أنت بتجيب روتيشن around 0 by angle negative 90. يبقى أنت هتعمل ريبليس وتغير الليج التاني هنا، السكند هو اللي اتغير. خلاص؟ بحافظ الرول بتاعتك بتاع البوينت التانية 4 النيجاتيف 4، يبقى أنا هقول له هنا البي داش هبدلهم، هجيب النيجاتيف 4 هنا وال4 هنا وأعمل النيجاتيف هنا اللي غيرتها بعد ما جت اتغيرت سي 3 and negative 1. In C dash equal we can replace negative 1 and 3, change the sign of the second. بعد ما بنركز بنغير السكند. بوينت دي هما A و B و C بس. تمام. تعالى بعد كده نرسم بقى الكوردينيت بتاعنا. عندي الفويدس موجودة. طيب تعالى خلينا نرسمها هنا وأقرأ لك وأنا بحل. خلاص. We have point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. First point A, 1 and negative 2. Start from 1 going to negative 2, A. And B, 4 and negative 4. 4 and going to negative 4. Point C, 3 and negative 1. 3 and negative 1. C. Okay, then triangle ABC. And then we can draw the rotation by E dash and B dash and C dash. E dash, negative 2 and negative 1. Negative 2 and negative 1 here. It's E dash. B dash, negative 4 and negative 4. Negative 4 here. Going to negative 4. C dash, negative 1 and going to negative 3. And then draw the triangle like this. Similar between them, we have congruent triangle, but the second rotation like this. Okay, we can write the length here 2 and this 2. Okay, it's exactly rotation about triangle. Next question. A card ordered only from 8 cards, numbered from 1 to 8. We have the randomly space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the simple space and then write the event appearing an even number. Number 1, put A equal even raised to even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Is the property of A equal number of elements A over number of A space randomly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 over 8. The result will be 1 over 2. And question number 2, event P. Appearing is a number divisible by 3. Write 3 and 6. Then the probability P equal number of n's on P over number of s. We have 2 over 8 and then divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And question number 3, appearing a number more than or equal to 6. C equal more than or equal to 6. Write 6, 7, and 8. And the probability of event C equal 3 over 8. 3 over 8, okay? So last question.